welcome back. I know it has been quite a long time since you've seen the house. We've lived here just a little over a year now, and our walls are finished. There is no more wallpaper or drywall that is exposed, and so I've started to place decor and arrange furniture, and I thought I would give you a little update today, as well as show you a little thrifting haul from some local thrift stores, and let you see what I brought home. We're currently in our sunroom, and you can see this is a newer door that has the dog door that Ryan installed. And it's just a darling space. We still have much to do in here, although I did find this amazing shelf for a fireplace heater insert, and I got that off of Craigslist actually, and I can't wait to actually use that. And as you can see, we're going to have to replace this white carpet because it's pretty horrible for tracking in dirt, as you can see all of Abby's paw prints. But those will be next projects. Now we're standing back inside our dining room, and you can see the furniture from before is now in its final place, and the walls are no longer drywall and have a nice light cream color. So I'll give you a little tour and update on this space as well as the living room. So here is our dining room. You can see our china hutch is against that wall, and we have our dining table set up, and then that mid-century divider has the marble stone top placed back on top of it. And then we chose to put the sofa set out in the living room in kind of an angled L, which took me a very long time to decide on because, as you can see, our living room is sort of narrow but long, and so it was really challenging to figure out how I wanted to arrange this. Show you, we have this nice sort of entry table here, and my sweet husband has hung some artwork. I may change some things around a little later, but for now it looks really lovely, and I have some of my Thanksgiving decor out. I just love the holidays. You can see the stairway that leads up to the bedrooms, and then that front door entryway. And we have a little umbrella stand, and then back through the divider we've got our sofas and a bookcase, and I actually was really happy with the way this turned out. So not to cut off this walkway, I just angled the sofas so that you still have access to this beautiful bay window, which temporarily our shades, 2 of them need to be repaired and we can't draw them up, but it's just gorgeous when it's all open and all that light is allowed in. But I really thought about this for a long time, and I was really happy I could fit all these pieces. I felt this was a really nice use of the space and still has open corners and flows really well. And now we will go downstairs to where this awesome family room is. You can see we've got this awesome like retro light fixture here, and this shag carpet, and the wood paneling, which I plan to paint. I think I'll do that cream color from upstairs. But there's this awesome built-in bookshelf here, which needs to be organized and decorated. And then there are some windows and a walkout to the patio, and this awesome fireplace. And then this is our garage door. And then we have this beautiful piano that I actually got for free off of Craigslist, my favorite website. But it's just beautiful. I just need to get it tuned, and I think I'll recover the bench want to learn to play. I actually used to play violin for 5 years, and I thought, what a great thing to get back into and learn piano, and it'll be great for our future children as well if they are interested. This guy here, this is Louis Armstrong, and he was actually my grandfather's, and so I just thought it was so perfect. He'll just be right on our piano. And now I'll take you in here, and you can see there is this little half bath, or I guess you would call it a quarter bath. And so it's really nice to have this down here. And there's even a little storage closet. I have some cleaning supplies in there. I actually think I love this vanity. Again, with the original retro hardware. Nice just wooden cabinet, and perhaps, you know, new hardware with the faucet, eventually even this sink top. But I love the retro lights again. I just can't get enough of that. And then we'll have to figure out, there was a towel rack, so we've got some reno action going on. Probably need to repaint this. It has some stains, but we'll get it looking cute. So this is the family room, and this is what you walk into on ground level. And as you can see, we just have furniture just randomly positioned down here. So I'm really excited to get, I think I'll look for another sectional, obviously smaller since the space isn't as large as our living room upstairs. But I think that would be really cozy by the fireplace. Maybe one of those sofa sectionals with that like chase that extends out from the set would be really comfortable down here. And I think with the paneling painted, it will really brighten up the space, and it will look so different and really amazing. Now I'll show you some pieces from my last thrift haul. This little chair here I just thought was so fun and unique, and I just loved it, and I had to bring it home. I'm not exactly sure what I'll do with it yet, if I'll use it for like a vanity space or a desk, or just in maybe the guest room, but I just thought it was really beautiful. What I also loved about this is that it was made locally here in Kansas City, and I just thought that was so neat. Yeah, so I don't know if I'll end up recovering it or not. It's actually kind of a fun fabric as well, and it seems to be waterproof. So we'll see where this ends up. And I believe I spent maybe $10. It was just this local thrift store here in Kansas City, and I felt it was a treasure. So now I will show you some other little pieces of decor that I found from our local Goodwill up the street. I just love going in there on occasion and taking a look around to see what treasures I might find. This little piece here is just like a ceramic decoration with little plates and utensils, and it can hang on the wall, and I love that it has the artist's signature and the year that they made it, 91, and you can see it was just $3, and it's just so cute. And I think I would really love to have it near the dining room or in our little retro kitchen. I just think this is so fun. And this next piece is an artificial animal skull. It seems to be a bull, I suppose, from the horns, some kind of cattle, but I just really, I don't know, I fell in love with it. It also hangs on the wall, and it also as well has the artist's signature, and I just think these pieces are so unique. And again, this was less than $5, and I think it would be really incredible in our sunroom. I have this little wall tapestry I had found earlier over the summer, and I think that they would really coordinate well together, and it's kind of that southwestern feel, but cleaning up that sunroom, I think this would just be really cute in there. And then another piece that I happened to find was this plant, just some artificial greenery with this really cute woven basket. And, you know, pretty basic. It could go really in any room. I also love that the planter inside was this kind of striped metal and kind of a faux kind of wood, kind of acrylic finish, and I thought it was really modern, and I also like just the basic tones of it as well. So again, I think it could be utilized in many different places. So I'll have to find a good home for it. It could be great in the sunroom, it could be great on the piano, on a bookshelf, on the fireplace mantle behind me. So we'll have to find a good spot for it. And then another piece that I found was this brass planter. I just thought this would be a great piece to have, again, for plants throughout the house. I know that greenery really can bring color and life into indoor rooms, and so I just thought this was a great staple piece to have, and at the bargain price of $4.50, I mean, for real brass, I just had to bring it home. And then finally, from this last thrifting haul, I also brought just this glass bottle, and it has a really nice lid that seals well. I thought this would be great to use when making like a homemade salad dressing. I've also experimented a little bit with some homemade coffee creamers, but I thought that this would be great to use whenever I make those, and it's easy to store in the fridge and easy to clean. And this was only $2. I mean, you just can't beat it. So I brought this home too. Well, thank you again for joining me back here today. I hope you enjoyed seeing some updates on the house and how the decorating is going, and taking a look at my recent thrifting haul. I'll look forward to seeing y'all again next time. Bye-bye.